I'm Matthew Curtis and I'm here with the Unite team at the Claudia Lee show. We're about to kick it off using Unite products. We're all excited for the show. Woo!
I think the look's going to be awesome. It's going to be real loose and real lived in. They're natural but better.
It's gone good. It's just the last girl just arrived, so we're just going to get it done now. Just finished at the Claudia Lee show. It was amazing. Clothes were incredible, great colours, hair was effortless, LA cool girl look with Unite products. On to the next.